Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on Alibaba just several days ago, to be precise on October 25th of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $174.7 mark. And at this point my main assumption was that as long as this bottom holds, and by the way I caught this range to the tick where the price was at $180 to $190, I caught this $153.95 point of trend reversal to the tick, and as long as this bottom holds, we have all the chances to hit $215.25. And guys, we are pretty much at the levels that we were previously, and we had a movement to the upside. We hit $182.63, and for now we have some kind of retracement. This bottom still holds. This means this price target is on the table. But at the same time, guys, I have an alternative count, and I will show you on today's video what type of price action we might have and what crucial levels do we have at this very moment. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to use my experience in your trades, you can accept my basically risk-free offer with 100% money-back guarantee. And the only thing that you have to do is just to subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account. And guys, you've seen many of my trade calls, all delivering strong returns in just hours. Now it's your turn to trade smarter. Join my safe haven Patreon tier, built for traders who want consistency, structure, and real results. You will get a detailed plan to protect your portfolio, monthly one-on-one Zoom sessions with me, and private Discord access with all trade alerts, lessons, and exclusive updates. And here is the best part. If you don't earn more than your subscription price within 30 days, you will receive a full refund, no question asked, as long as your trading account balance is at least $2,500 and you've taken all the recommended trades during the period. No excuses, no fine print. You profit or you don't pay. Here are just a few of my trade results from the first half of October. But don't wait, this offer is available for a limited time only. Once the spots are filled, enrollment will close. Join today and let's start building your edge in the market.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So guys, and on today's video, as I mentioned, I will show you an alternative scenario for Alibaba. And guys, I'm not trying to predict the market. I'm reacting on the market based on its previous price action, and my win rate on this asset in particular are much higher than 70%. That is why you can rely on my technical analysis as a part of your due diligence. But first of all, let's take a look at some fundamentals. I have to admit that we don't have a lot of changes in the sentiment that is surrounding Alibaba stock, and if you type in Google search bar Baba stock and switch to news tab folder, you will not find a lot of news that might be a catalyst for this stock for the upcoming weeks, except one. We have a data of potential date of its earnings report, and we know that Chinese companies are not so predictable in terms of the dates of their quarterly reports, but somewhere in the mid of November they will publish their earnings report, and depending on the results in this report, and what is more importantly, depending on the guidance in this report, we might anticipate its next movement. But as long as we don't know these results, we have to rely on the current news and current price actions. And guys, let's take a look at the forecast. Do we have any changes in the forecast? And we don't have any new analysts, but among 44 analysts, we have the consensus analyst price target target that is set at the level of roughly $195. The lowest price target is set at $120, and the highest price target is set at $240. And I have to admit that we are pretty much in the middle of this range, but at the same time, guys, the structure of the most recent price movement tells me that we might see a little bit of cool down in the upcoming weeks. So let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deeper right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, let's zoom out to a bigger scale. You can see that from this bottom we have an expanding diagonal into the potential first set of waves. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 that formed only one wave on a bigger scale. Then we have a retracement to the potential second wave. And then we have another 1-2 setup with the assumption that we have to complete the third wave somewhere at $215. And yes, this is the bull count, and I don't have any signs of invalidation of this count yet. But at the same time, guys, I have to admit that, wait a second, I have to adjust this tool a little bit. This range was perfectly aligned with these tops, and here it is. So I have to admit that we hit a crucial point for the price action, and in a minute I will tell you what I'm talking about. But for now, let me zoom in to, let's say, 4 hours time frame, and let me explain you its most recent price action. So from this bottom of roughly $154, this asset went up and it gained, wait a second, I will show you, it gained about 17% to its value. But then, guys, let's use this tool. From this top to this bottom, if I pull a fib retracement tool, you can see that this asset had a decent reaction out of the golden pocket range, statistically the most probable range of trend reversal. And this makes me thinking that potentially we might have this bottom not as the bottom of the fourth wave, but as the bottom of the A wave. And we might have, this is our A wave, this is our B wave, and we have to have one more leg to the downside to complete our C wave. And if this bottom holds, we can project, if it is the bear case, we can project the bottom of the C wave from the length of the A wave. And to do so, let's pull fib extension tool from this top to this bottom and to this top. And guys, we have a very good confluence with the golden pocket range at the levels of roughly $142. Again, it is the most probable range of trend reversal. You can see a lot of mess. Let's delete this couple of tools that we don't need for now. This is a very good extension in the C wave if this level holds and if we see the movement to the downside. At the same time, guys, let's delete for now this tool and let me show you that it is a confluence with the golden pocket range if I pull a fib retracement tool from this bottom to this top. That is why, guys, it is not a bear case in the long-term perspective. It is a short-term bear case because we have to see this retracement to the levels of roughly $142, and then it will be just the bottom of the fourth wave, and then we will have another chance to hit higher targets, but this target will not be at $215. We can identify this target when this bottom is formed. That is why, guys, be cautious. This is an alternative count. The primary count is still this one. We might see the trend continuation to the upside to hit $215. And the crucial level that invalidate the bear count will be the breakout above this top, and the crucial level that will invalidate the bull count to this point will be breakout below this bottom. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you.